Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Kali Linux machine from a macOS device. This is the Kali Linux machine, and what we need to do here is to install XRDP. That's what we'll use to do the connection. I'm gonna open the terminal and let me check the version real quick. We'll do cat COS release. So version is 2025.4. Now, before we install XRDP, let's update the package repositories. We'll do sudo apt update, put in our password. Clear this. Now the command to install XRDP is sudo apt install XRDP. So it looks like XRDP is already installed. Now we'll just need to make sure that it's enabled and then make sure that it's running. We'll do sudo systemctl enable XRDP. Then we'll do sudo systemctl start XRDP. Then we'll check the status. We'll check the status of XRDP using systemctl status XRDP. Okay, it's enabled, active and running. Okay, we also see it's listening on port 3389. With that, we just need the IP address on this machine and a username and password. That's what we'll use on the macOS device to do the connection. Okay, click here. To check the IP, we'll do IP address. So the IP is 172.16.1.101 right here. I'm going to be using the same username, so I'm going to log out from this machine. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the macOS device. Now on the macOS device, you just need to open your App Store and look for Windows app. So open your App Store, search for Windows app. Okay, so this used to be called Remote Desktop. Now it's called Windows app. You need to install this and then open it. Okay, so this is the Windows app right here. If it's the first time using it, you're not going to have any connection. You're not going to have any PCs or any connections. You need to add a new one. So click on this, add PC. And then here you put in the IP address for the Kali Linux machine, which was 172.16.1.101. Okay, for credentials, click on this. And then you'll need to add credentials. You add the username and password. Now I already have the username and password saved, so it's here. Once you have it added, it will be saved into the system. Next time you can just select it. The rest I'm gonna leave at default, and then I'm just gonna click add here. And this is the connection. To connect to it, I'm just gonna double click on it, click connect. Okay, it looks like it took the entire screen here. Go ahead and minimize. So this is the connection. You see the IP address is listed here, 172.16.1.101. I'm gonna open the terminal and let me do W. We'll see who's connected. We have this session here, and it's saying it's an XRDP session. You can also look at the logs. You can say journalctl. Then grep XRDP. If we scroll up a little bit, you can see a mention of XRDP. Okay, so you can see that this is the session here that was started, and it's even showing the IP address and the username that was used for that connection. So that's all for this video. That's how you can use XRDP or RDP to connect to Kali Linux from a macOS device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.